red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, blue color, blue color, green color, green color, black color, black color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color. B. B for ball, B for bat, and again use red color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and again use red color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color, yellow color, the alphabets of D. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes, and use blue color, blue color, the alphabets of G. Kids again use blue color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, the alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw K. K for kite, K for king, the alphabets of K. Kids again use green color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids now draw M. M for moon, M for mango, the alphabets of M, and use black color, black color. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest, the alphabets of N. O. O for orange, O for octopus, the alphabets of O. It's now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin, the alphabets of P, and use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail, the alphabets of Q. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rice, and use red color, red color, the alphabets of R. S. S for sun, S for snake, the alphabets of S. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger, and again use red color, red color, the alphabets of T. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle, and use yellow color, yellow color, the alphabets of U. Kids neither V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids again use yellow color and draw W. W for watch. The alphabets of W. Kids neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of X. Kids again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. And again use blue color. Kids neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. Green color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use green color and draw 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use green color. Green color. F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. Kids again use black color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use black color and draw 3. T H R W 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids again use black color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F I V E 5. Kids neither 6. The numbers of 6. And use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E IGHT 8, 9, N INE 9. Kids night 10. The numbers of 10, TEN 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11, and use red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16, and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. Kids night 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Red color. Yellow color. Black color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers, and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple. A for ant. And use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B, and use yellow color. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C, and use black color. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use green color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use blue color. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use blue color. Kids now draw numbers, and firstly draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use red color. ONE 1. The numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2. the numbers of 2 and use yellow color TWO2. Kids write 3, the numbers of 3 and use black color THRW3. Kids write 4, the numbers of 4 and use green color FOUR. Kids write 5, the numbers of 5 and use blue color the numbers of 5 FIVE5. Kids write shapes and first draw a square, the shape of square and use red color. Kids write circle, the shape of circle and use yellow color. Kids write a triangle, the shape of triangle and use black color. Kids write a heart, the shape of heart and use green color. Kids lastly draw star, the shape of star and use blue color. The shape of star. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.